I don't know, there's something about glue and yarn that I really love. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to experiment with something. I'll show you. We have sort of leafish things made out of yarn. So sometimes when we have yarn out, kids use it and it gets all tangled up and I get frustrated and I just snip the big hairball of yarn in the middle and throw it away. I was working on what can we do with all that yarn and came up with a couple of ideas. Got a bunch of yarn here that is sort of, good for autumn. I'm going to snip them also a little bit more into my bowl here before they go into my ball of glue. I didn't even tell you what we need. We need covered workspace, old funky yarn, some plastic wrap, some Gluey Water, and a rolling pin.
What?
So I'm going to snip up. Some is already snipped, but I would like these brown pieces to be a little bit smaller. So I'm going to snip some more of this. Oh, actually, this orange looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to do something that I almost never do. Miss Hazel, don't be shocked.
What are you going to do? No, wait. Are you putting...
I'm putting gloves on. Only because I need to be able to get the plastic out too. So I'm going to move all these yarn snips there. I'm actually going to put out one sheet of plastic now. I'm going to take this yarn that I snipped up and I'm going to dump it into my bowl of glue with a little bit of water mixed in. And then, check it out. It's kind of like, just get it all wet. And if you can see, the glue is all over. You just want to make sure these are wet so they'll stick together once they're in here. And I'll show you why I have the rolling pin. Yep, I think this looks pretty good. So now I'm going to dump all of this onto my plastic. And then I'm going to take off my gloves because this is where I needed gloves because now I have to go get more plastic. Okay, now I'm going to find a piece that's big enough to cover that one. Rip it off. Carefully spread it out. This maybe you need some help with this. Your parents may not appreciate that I'm telling you to use the rolling pin that you use for pie, but nothing's going to get on it. No glue unless it's on your fingers. Okay, now here comes the fun part. I'm going to roll this out. It's just going to come out the side, so I'm going to switch this. Oh, and I did get glue. I was wrong. I did get glue on my rolling pin, but the great thing is that there's this thing called soap and water, and you could just clean it. Okay, now I'm going to take this paper towel and wipe the glue off before it dries, and then I'm going to wash it with soap and water. So now I'm going to have to let this dry. It's going to take a few days because it's all inside the plastic.
Oh,
but
okay.
I peeled the top layer off to give it some more air. So now I'm going to let this dry, and then tomorrow I'll come back and I'll cut some more leaves, and then pretty soon I'll have a nice bit of leaves, some garland to go across the back of the shelves here, and maybe I'll take it home for Thanksgiving. All right, thanks everyone for coming. Let us know if you make one of these because I think they're really fun. The only thing is, if you put this outside, remember there's glue. It's just school glue, and it will get wet, and then the whole thing will fall apart.
And then
So this is more of an inside decoration, not an outside where it's going to get wet. All right, thanks everyone for coming. I hope this works for you. I hope this works for me too. All right, bye everybody. Thanks for coming.